Have you ever tried jumping on a group video call with your friends, team, or community, but you were stuck at your computer and weren't sure how to set it up without using your phone? We've all been in that awkward spot where someone says, "Let's hop on a call," and you're scrambling to figure out if the desktop app can actually handle it. Well, the good news is that Telegram has some seriously powerful group video calling and screen sharing features built right in. Let's walk through how to set one up in just a couple of minutes. All right, let's break down how it actually works. First, open up Telegram and head over to any group or channel where you have admin or speaker permissions. Look up at the top right corner of the group chat interface. You'll see a little box icon. Click that to kick things off. And once inside, look for the button labeled Video Chat. Now, don't let the name fool you. Even though it starts as a voice chat room, it can instantly turn into a full video call. Once the room is active, look at your control panel on screen. You'll see a camera icon. Click that camera button, choose your webcam device, and hit Share Webcam. Boom! You're live on video with your group. One of the coolest things about doing this is the layout flexibility. Unlike the mobile app, where your screen space is cramped, Telegram Desktop lets you pin specific speakers, adjust your grid view, and manage your microphone and audio inputs cleanly through your computer's system settings. If you're hosting a larger group, you can also lock the room or make it so participants join muted, keeping background noise to a minimum while you run the show. And that's it. No need to juggle separate software just to catch up or run a team meeting. If this quick walkthrough made your workflow easier, hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward tech tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what app feature you want to tackle next. See ya!